You know, say, Kentucky, we're at Springs Plaza on Canton. This lady named Dolly from Ochi order some Kentucky food, but she's telling me say I must go pick it up. When we go pick it up now, the cashier and the supervisor give me a problem. The cashier and the supervisor tell me must make the person come collect food. I say all the people come collect food and no man we are Ochi. We come collect food. And the first thing we do, this something, we order food online. Then we should have somebody come drop it off with you. And then keep think, give me this something. We come out of the place, we come out. The spring, Kentucky, there's spring. Bank, Constant Spring Road. That's what I talk about. Them wicked, the Kentucky people are wicked. Don't be supervisor everybody in so. I want to put it over right now on TikTok, but how them operate, the custom service and everything I want. And the woman says she want back her money. No. The lady says she want back her money. No. Yeah. Kentucky Palm Spring Plaza, this so. The lady want back her money. Yeah. Because Derrick man gonna pick up the food and they never want to give me it. And when it pan 7 crane, them ask somebody come pick up the food for you. Or them collect somebody can come give you any location the bike man them. So them say them have the bike to collect it. Carry, deliver the food. So I say I go for the food. They don't come with the food. So I have to collect and I don't get anything. So I not go back up with Baba. I not go back to Kentucky. Kentucky and then they call dirty stale food. Kentucky and then they call chicken in a fry good. Kentucky chicken and raw. Kentucky chicken raw. When every Sunday people pull up in Kentucky. Then I go cook. Then I don't go cook them food. Woman want to money. The lady and Dolly want to money. Me don't wanna say why some of them people pan Sunday cook them food pan Sunday there. Them are run go to Kentucky go buy the raw chicken there Kentucky have raw chicken. When tear for beer blood you see run out of it. And them a get them people them water you know. Then I want go there to cook them nice rice and peas and oxtail and them carrot juice, all them soursop juice. They want to run go Kentucky to get the raw blood clot. Raw meat, them for yam, them water, them blood clot. Come go this one, order something, you know, go there. They don't want to get up, you know. They don't want blood clot, get up. The Kentucky with upon Constant Spring Plaza one. Yeah, the blood clot with them raw meat. Raw blood clot meat, them have Kentucky raw meat. When you prepare food good. If you buy all the spicy, the tear it off. Rawness. Kentucky, if you do better than that. Kentucky with blood clot do better than that. Kentucky with bomber clot do better than that. Yeah, bomber clot, Kentucky pan spring plan. The whole of them do better than that. No blood clot. One bomber clot there. But Kentucky to pussy clot. Nikki Summers, you say if anybody call me name to you and talk about gift and you, run them. Run every one of them, Nikki. Run them because them a run on gift. A gift them a run and a fight against them one another for gift, Nikki. Run the whole of them. And you see the whole of them a fight against gift. Then everybody a run company. Them want lie and them want this and them want that. You see me not run nothing like them, you know. I not run nothing like them a blood clot, Nikki. So make the whole of them want blood clot gift. You hear me I tell you? Nikki. Anybody want to say Derrick live here and Derrick live here and for them blood clot business and for them business Nikki. Cause one day to blood clot, one day Derrick live up for this blood clot Jamaica land here so. Them want to hear about Derrick no bomber clot. You hear me I tell you? But then sit down for me pussy bomber clot name and so Nikki now give me a blood clot lion. Me not run on like blood clot glam them we have to run on bomber clot. Gift online and everybody run I run on gift. Me not run a pussy cloud. No come suck out my hole. The hole no come suck out. Hole. No bomber ass clot. On no blood clot, gift and everything. And that you no want to blood clot. You want to come from gift, you know. And that you no want. Yes, and that you no pussy clot want. The one blood clot people in pan TikTok. Think me like a careless boy. When them ever to blood clot take set pan Derrick Morgan, me not run down no blood clot gift like the whole of them. Me not run down no blood clot gift. Every minute them come talk about Nikki this and Nikki that. If you not beg Nikki gift, you not beg her no call me blood clot name, you not call me bomber ass clot name. You hear me I tell you no blood clot people on TikTok, when you come ox me out, when you come ox out Derrick Morgan bomber hole and leave me alone. If the woman want give me, what that to do with me to blood clot? Do not take the gift them now. With the blood clot, not leave me alone. I want me do now. I want me do to blood clot TikTok people. Come ox out me hole. When you come ox out me hole, you not turn me upside down to blood clot and ox it out to ass clot. Now it's only evening, ox out me pussy bomber blood clot.